Well, hello again, Dave here. It's been some time since we've been on Dusty Jr. That's the name of this bike. My KLX 250S is named Dusty, so this is Dusty Jr. of course. Getting comfy. There's some rain over here. We're gonna try and avoid the rain or just run away from it for a while. We'll see. Rain kind of comes and goes. It's been snowing up on the mountains, so we'll see what happens. But let's, we're gonna take this for like a proper ride. I didn't charge this before I came on this ride. It's been about a month since I charged it, but I haven't ridden it very much. I've only ridden it a couple times, and the charge is sitting at 52.8 out of 54 volts. So I've been having a blast just kicking around on this, and I honestly, I haven't spent a whole lot of time riding around on this. I kicked around in the dirt a little bit. These tires are so tiny, they're not really set up for dirt. It's hard for me, you know, it's hard to drag my giant self through the dirt on this sort of thing. It'd be pretty fun with the slightly larger tires, but this is so small that I think that's gonna essentially just be my road bike. I'm not going to do a lot of off-roading with it, which is cool because as soon as these tires wear out, I'm going to switch them over to some street tires, and it's going to be super cool. It's going to be a lot smoother, and I think it'll be feel really good once that happens. So stay tuned for all that. Today we're just kind of cruising around. I wanted to check out this new park that was just built. It was actually built a few months ago, but we'll go check it out today. It's called Circle Park. So I used to live around here. Christina used to live over there, and my best friend used to live on this Redwood Tree Street when I was growing up. So that's cool. We'll just kind of come over here. We got 30 PSI in the tires, so a little rough on the dirt. Oh, it's starting to rain pretty good. All right, let's just haul. Let's go, 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 go. Yeah. Gotta make it to the bridge. Come on. I think this will take me there. This might actually snow. Might actually snow on us. It's feeling kind of cold. Oh, I can see flurries. Look, there's snow. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, this is so much fun. It's so much fun to ride a slow bike fast. That's really cool looking. You can see how windy it is with that. Let's come over here. So I did a video the other day where I was talking about my KLX and the exhaust, and I repacked my exhaust to my KLX, and it still sounds incredibly loud. I still have to wear earplugs when I ride, and I would rather either just hear the wind or be able to just listen to music, throw in some earbuds, and kind of ride. So an e-bike is extremely tempting because of that. And a Sur-Ron or a Talaria, I'm not knocking on those bikes, but you can't really take them on the trails around here, and they tear it up too much. So I wouldn't mind building a full suspension e-bike to kind of get me the experience I want off-road. And then I would actually like to purchase either a Talaria or a Sur-Ron, but the barrier to entry, at least for me, is kind of expensive because I spent about $2,000 on my KLX 250S, and that thing goes 80 to 100 miles, and it just runs like a champ, and it's pretty sweet. The only downside is it's loud. If I could get, a Talaria, maybe like an MX4 for cheaper than MSRP, I'd need to be like $3,500 or $3,200. Maybe like a straight up swap between my one of my motorcycles and a newer Talaria. That would be pretty sweet. It's definitely expensive. Like when you look at motorcycles versus electric e-bikes, the price to performance to how far you can go is doesn't really compute very well. So logically, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. But at the same time, I really love e-bike everything. The right opportunity has to come, but I'm definitely going to be looking forward to some type of Talaria or Sur-Ron. That's definitely going to be in my future. It's a beautiful view though. Can't get much better than that. That's what's so enticing about an e-bike is the freedom to just go on trails that normally would bug other people, but because you're not making any noise, it's not that big of an issue. So I'm leaning that direction. So even though in my previous videos I probably said that I don't really want to get a Sur-Ron or a Talaria, I really do. I do. And if nothing else, just to own it for a little while, just to see what it's like. And most people just upgrade them, so I could build a pretty sick battery for them. If I did a fully custom battery, it'd have to be a pretty high-end battery. I've never done anything like that before, but I'm game for it. You know, ride it stock for a while and then see what I can change and modify. It sounds fun. There we go. All right, we'll go up a little bit longer and then we'll come back down. I don't think I've ever taken this bike up this trail. Well, thanks for coming on this ride with me. It's been super fun. I've had a blast. We're down at about 45, 44 volts. So we're definitely running out of power. Yeah. We should have, plenty of power to get home. It takes forever for it to go from this to zero.